So there are lots of discussion happening at sport and Tahir bhai is with us today. How are you, Tahir bhai?
Me good, Akib. God is too kind. What about you?
I'm doing well, Tahir bhai. What's this noise behind the background? Looks like FC College is preparing for Champions Trophy. I'm very excited.
Yeah, Akib, these are pre-Champions Trophy celebration which we are just celebrating over. And if our fans can hear the music in background, it's just a jazz, hip-hop music. So it's just a welcoming music for the Champions Trophy.
And fans look like they are preparing for the Champions Trophy after the ending of exam.
Exactly.
And moving forward, Tahir bhai, with regards to Champions Trophy, Rashid Latif bhai has said that Pakistan need to adopt a very aggressive and positive approach for the Champions Trophy. They should play with that fighting mindset which was there in 2017 and 92.
Akib, I totally agree with great Rashid Bhai, wicket-keeper batsman of Pakistani team, because Akib, he is a visionary player.
Shrewd person.
Yeah, he has seen the cricket very closely. When our team was passing through turmoil, still he was the part of that team, right? So Akib, until unless we won't follow the aggressive model or with the aggressive approach, this Champion Trophy will be very difficult for us. I repeat, it will be very difficult for us to defend our title. The reason is, rest of the teams are coming with full prep. They haven't have any issues except minor teams, if we can consider them. Otherwise, big teams like Australia, India, England, even New Zealand, Akib, is performing very well.
Yes.
Even South Africa is up front.
New Zealand is a very small country but still performing.
Yeah. So on the other hand, the only thing we can do over here is we can come with the aggressive model. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for us to defend our title.
And Tahir bhai, you know, it's like Gaddafi Stadium, even National Stadium of Karachi is being constructed and broken for the Champions Trophy. And I'm hearing that the legends from Karachi, Shahid Afridi and Yunus Khan, the pavilions will be named after them because the stadium is being reconstructed. And to honor the heroes from Karachi, they are putting their names on the pavilion.
Definitely, it's a very good gesture to praise your great brains and great minds in the cricket. It's a very good gesture by PCB.
But too aggressive individuals.
Yeah, especially Mohsin Naqvi Saab, even Shahid Afridi and Yunus Khan has a great contribution in the success series of Pakistani cricket, as Yunus Khan won the T20 title in 2009. So I think Akib, there should be more players enclosure name should be added in the Qaddafi Stadium as it's a new series started.
And Tahir bhai, there was also a statement which you gave a couple of days ago which fans were mocking that why did Tahir bhai say that Babar Azam's popularity is not the same as Shahid Afridi. Fans were getting offended that why Tahir bhai is disregarding Babar Azam.
Akib, I think fan has taken my statement on the other way. It doesn't mean that Babar Azam is a very tiny player or have no comparison with Shahid Afridi. Babar Azam is a very competitive player with Shahid Afridi, but on the other hand, Shahid Afridi has a tenure of around 2 decades plus.
1996
to 2016, 17 or
20 years.
20 even. So even he was playing the IPL in the 2022. I think he played the last title in 2007. So the main thing over here is Babar is just in the start of his career.
Yes,
so we can't compare those players on a parallel way. Babar can be equal to Shahid Afridi, but if he will spend more time in cricket, then he will be able to get the legacy of Shahid Afridi.
And lastly, before we conclude this video, we are also hearing that Babar Azam could open for Pakistan in this Champions Trophy. How do you see this step? The management trying to give him confidence because time is not there, no opener is available. They want to
yes, Akib, I think it's just a contingency plan that PCB is offering Babar Azam for the opening spot.
Makeshift opening, you can say.
Definitely, because currently we are. You can come. Because Akib, on the other hand, because we are not having Saim and Fakhr in our team, that's why I think PCB is looking to start with the Babar, as he have performed very well in T20s and even test matches as well. So it's a need of the time that he would perform well in the one-day matches as well.
A couple of fans are standing behind you.
Are around with
what is your favorite players?
Just a love.
You guys watch cricket? Cricket pasand hai?
Bobby.
You like cricket?
Which is your favorite player? Fakhr Zaman, the great.
Your favorite? Babar Azam. So Akib, abhi poll karwa lete hain ki Babar
Azam is the
Babar Azam. Wow.
I like
Fakhr Zaman, Babar Azam. पर Akib फिर भी अभी भी काफी टाई है क्योंकि बाबर आजम की फैन फॉलोइंग हम देख रहे हैं कि यंगस्टर्स में काफी ज्यादा है।
फाइनल
चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी के लिए आपको मैसेज देना चाहिए।
इंडिया जाएगी।
इंडिया
ठीक है।
देखिए आगे जैसे भाई ने कहा इंडिया जाए पाकिस्तान जाए हैं तो दोनों बॉर्डर का ही फर्क है ना। इंडिया जाए पाकिस्तान जाए मेरे ख्याल में एक ही चीज है आकिब दोनों के लिए ट्रॉफी।
पाकिस्तान इज ब्रांड।
पाकिस्तान इज ब्रांड ऐसा ही है
यार ना जीता।
Tahir bhai also heard Saurav Ganguly said Pakistan is
yes, सौरभ गंगोली ने भी ये स्टेटमेंट दी है कि पाकिस्तान जीतेगा। आपको क्या लगता है इस पर?
जीत जाए देखें हमारी तो खुशी है अगर वो जीतेगा भी तो।
बिल्कुल ऐसे, ना भी जीते तो एटलीस्ट अच्छा खेल के
अच्छा खेल के ये बात ठीक है। सेमीफाइनल तक चाहिए सर।
फाइनल मैं सपोर्ट करूँ
अगर अपनी होम कंडीशन में भी ना सेमीफाइनल में गए तो फिर इनसे उम्मीद छोड़ दें।
सही है,
हम जैसे बच्चों की सपोर्ट मिलेगी तो पाकिस्तान
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। चलिए ताहिर भाई और फैंस को मैं शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूंगा फॉर कमिंग इन वीडियो। सो यार गाइस दैट्स इट फॉर दिस वीडियो। लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू स्पोर्ट्स फॉर मोर कंटेंट लाइक दिस। टिल देन इट इज गुड बाय फ्रॉम मी ताहिर भाई एंड द फैंस साइड। टेक गुड केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ एंड अल्लाह हाफिज।
यार एक सेकंड YouTube खोल लेना अपना,
YouTube पे इंशाल्लाह
शो होगा इस पर।
हम बड़ा